Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Rocksbox. Okay, before we get started, just a quick little bit of information about Rocksbox. It's $21 per month. You can use Rocksbox as a jewelry subscription service and just pay the $21 per month to borrow the jewelry and wear it as much as you would like. Send it back when you're through, or you can purchase the pieces that are in your box. So I'm gonna leave a link for you in the description box. Click on that link, you'll get a $21 credit and your first box is free. So it's truly a $21 credit, and that goes a long way towards your first purchase. A lot of times when you first sign up, they will send you an email and let you know, hey, if you go and add this many pieces to your wish list, then we will give you an additional $5 credit. So you can get, $26 off your first box, which is really great. And honestly, that goes a long way towards purchasing a piece if you would like, and that is forever credit. You will keep that credit for as long as you want, so which is really nice. Rocksbox does have forever credit, and I really appreciate that. However, your $21 a month fee, that is charged every month. Now if you purchase something, you will receive that $21 in credit. If you don't purchase anything, then that will just be used as your fee to rent the jewelry. So everything's sanitized. I've never had any problems with anything, so here we go. Now I am discovering that I'm having a little bit of an allergy to certain metals. So I'm gonna have to keep that in mind from now on. I'd never known that before. I picked up a ring from Rocksbox that I absolutely love, that I wore 24/7, and it began really irritating my skin. Now I can wear it on this hand off and on every day, and it doesn't seem to bother me, but I wanted to leave it on permanently, and it held up great. It had no problems. In fact, I'll get it for you. There we go. It's so beautiful, and I wore it every single day. It had no discoloration. I didn't lose a stone. It's held up beautifully. It's just gonna have to be reserved to being worn occasionally because something in the metal in this irritated my skin. That's the first time I've had any problems, and like I said, I wore it permanently. I didn't take it off every day like I would normally, and I think that was really the problem, is it just irritated my skin. So here's everything in here. It comes with your jewelry care card, your little note, and your pricing sheet, and wrapped up nice and neat in here with 3 pieces in the bags. Now you'll receive it in this envelope, or this bag. Be careful when you open it because you send it back in this bag. Your return label is in there. You just place it on the other side. Just place it on that side and send it on back in your mailbox. That's super fast, super duper fast. As soon as they get confirmation that you've sent it back to them, they start shipping out a new one for you. Okay, so this first piece in here. Oh, these are so cute. My last Rocksbox, I think it was maybe the one before that, I picked up a rainbow bracelet that I absolutely love. Look at these little matching earrings. Oh my goodness, aren't they adorable? Little rainbows. I love them. I absolutely love them. Oh, okay. These are by, let's see, these are from Rocksbox. I love them too. All right, these are Sophie Harper linked rainbow huggies for $42. Oh my goodness. So, oh yeah, also, if you buy all 3 pieces, you get a $10 discount. And sometimes they will offer a little bit more. They run specials. So, oh, how do I get these on? Oh, just like that. Oh, I like that this is attached. It doesn't come off, the little second loop, so I don't have to worry about it falling off. I travel often with my jewelry. Oh, yes, these are so mine. How cute are those? These are like wearing nothing at all. Oh, I love them. I love them. Absolutely love them. Right up my alley. I'm getting into wearing some bigger earrings lately, but these just say me all over them. Okay, so those are $42. All right, next, let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is so pretty. The Aster Nomi ring in silver in a size 5. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Oh, I absolutely love this. All right, let's get it to look. Isn't that beautiful? Oh. Rocksbox. Ah, look at that. I absolutely love that. I love it. Now, what you can do is if you're not sure if you're going to wear something often enough to purchase it, then keep it for a little bit. See how often you wear it. See how often you go to it. Or try it out for a couple of days. Maybe you ring snags on things and that's just not something you like. So therefore it wouldn't be a piece you'd wear no matter how beautiful it is. So that's a great thing about Rocksbox. I really appreciate. Oh, that is so cute. I can adjust it a little tighter. It's a little big for me, but it's really, really cute. Okay. All right, that is $59. Regular price is $70, so you are getting a little bit of a discount on that one, thankfully. Wow. All right, this next piece is by Slate. Oh, I thought it was great. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm getting it. Hold on, I'm pulling it out. It comes nicely packed so it doesn't get tangled. Look at this. This is by Slate. This is the Dexstar Pendant for $55. Look, oh my goodness, and it's adjustable here. Oh, we have to put this on. Oh, I love that. Oh, I absolutely love it. So pretty. I love Rocksbox. I love jewelry. I really love jewelry. I'm very big into jewelry, and there's a time and a place for more expensive pieces and less expensive pieces. I like high quality costume jewelry, and that is what Rocksbox is. And I just really appreciate that, you know? Oh, I love this. I'm leaning because my microphone cover is on my camera for travel, so the wind doesn't hit it. So I'm leaning around so I can see it. I absolutely love this. You see the little stone in it? Oh, it's so pretty. Well, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna have to really think about it. Budget's not super high this month for anything extra, so I might just have to keep it for a couple of weeks and enjoy it and then send it back. Okay, so the total for everything in my box is $156 and $10 buy 3 discounts, so it makes it $146. So that is awesome. Go try out Rocksbox. I mean, your first box is free. You know, if you end up not thinking it's great, at least you got a month's worth of free jewelry and a $21 credit. So if you found something you did like, you could go ahead and pick it up. And you can put it on pause. You can pause it, cancel it anytime. There's no obligation with Rocksbox. I really, really like that. I've put mine on hold several times. Okay, so I thought we'd take a quick peek at the Rocksbox website. So here you can see this is the set I was sent this week. And now we're going to kind of scroll back, look at my wish list. Actually, let's browse and then see what we can add to my wish list. So you can see they have a wide variety of brands and styles to choose from. I usually just scroll through here about once a week and pick different pieces to go in my wish list. You can wish list as many items as you want. I have found that the more items I put in my wish list, the better this selection my stylist has to choose from. Oh, isn't that pretty? Broadway ring. I really like that one. So she has more to choose from. And oh, aren't these pretty? Oh, wish list. Just added it to my wish list. So the more she has to choose from. And that way she's more likely to send you, oh, I have this. Do you have this? I love this. I have it in gold and silver. Absolutely love it. So she's more likely to send you pieces that you really love. Or you can select pieces that are out of your comfort zone, which is always something that's fun to do because there's no obligation. You can try them. Here's some of the brands you can see here on the left. And Kendra Scott. Oh, I love Kendra Scott. We all know I love Kendra Scott. And let's see, Kate Spade. Love Kate Spade. One of my favorites, absolute favorites. This is where I make my have my collection from, is Rocksbox. I have some very unique pieces I've not seen anywhere else. So, oh, it's so cute. Whoops, I forgot to uncheck the Rudiment. There we go. So Rudiment is another one of my favorites. They have some really cute pieces that I really love. Let's see. Oh, Sophie Harper. Love Sophie Harper. I think she's my top Rocksbox brand right now. She's my favorite right now. She has the rainbow pieces. I love those. So let's see. Here's Alex and Ani. Oh, let me back out of these 1 second. There we go. Now we just have Alex and Ani. Everybody loves Alex and Ani. Most people anyway. I just think it's so pretty. All right, now we have Lauren Hope. Whoops, she's not up yet. Let's try Melinda Maria. I love that ring right there. Absolutely love that. I did try that. Oh, there's some beautiful pieces. She has some rainbow stones as well that I really like. So here you go. Now we can look at Perry Street. I love Perry Street. Those star earrings right there, I absolutely love them. I want them in silver. They've been in my wish list for a while, but everybody loves them, so I'm waiting my turn. Now you can shop new jewelry, new pieces that come out. You can purchase them right away. You don't have to wait for them in your wish list. And now, oh, my iPad's giving me a little bit of trouble. 1 second. Let me pop over here to the menu, do it this way, and shop clearance. Now you can buy these directly from Rocksbox. These are the pieces that have been gently used, but they don't meet Rocksbox standards for shipping out in the regular subscription box. I have picked up so many pieces from the clearance section, in particular at Black Friday. That's the time to really pay attention to this section. They often run a big sale here, so you want to pay attention, but you have to be a Rocksbox subscription box or service holder in order to be able to get the pieces. So go ahead and try it out now. Okay, so me and this gorgeous necklace, gorgeous rings, these I don't think I can part with. I really don't think that I can. I absolutely love them. I feel like I could wear these all the time. You know, they're secure. Oh. There are pages and pages of jewelry on Rocksbox. There is something for everyone, and there's a lot of somethings for everyone. All right, thank you so much for watching. I'll leave the link in the description box for you. Go try it out. We'll see you next time. Bye.